Ahoy, mateys. Captain Jack Scrapper here. Oh, and we also have a crew member available to lend assistance. He's actually sober, I think.
Take your hands off me, buried treasure. I'll make you walk the plank. You'll sink like a stone. See you in Davy Jones' locker. 68 out of 10 and chest.
Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum.
Say what we need and the devil will rest. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. We're mean and we're ugly and we're not too nice. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. We burn any village and we don't think twice. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. I think that's not the worst.
Is it me, or does he always want to take center stage? Or is it Wingman? I don't know. Alright, mateys, we are going to attempt, as I showed you on the film here just a second ago, this is the new regulator for the Mr. Heater. Okay. I think I know how to do it simply. We'll see. This is the first time I've done it. I did learn when I went to do a little test run that you definitely have to make sure you don't have any propane on either side. Well, obviously we don't have propane on this side, because this side, as you can maybe see, this is the side that got scorched a week ago. So I thought I had another light here. Oh, I do. I'll see if I can set that up in a minute. Alright.
Keep your hands off me, buried treasure. I'll make you walk the plank. You'll sink like a stone. See you in Davy Jones' locker. 68 out of 10 and chest. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. We say what we need and the devil will rest. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. We're mean and we're ugly and we're not too nice. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. We burn any village and we don't think twice. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. I think that's not the worst.
He's done it again. Alright. So, there it is. I don't know, yeah. Sundance is gonna get a little crazy here about the light. So, here's the old valve. There is a fitting right back there that's pretty easy to get to. And there is a swivel. As you can see, it just swivels. And maybe you can see in here that these threads are no good, and that's why we had the flame up. So, here's what we're going to try to do. And let's see if I can aim this just the right way. It appears that we only need two tools. One is a crescent wrench or a wrench that fits that, and it might be useful for other things, and a pair of needle nose. Okay, so the first thing to do is go in here and pop that loose. It's a little tricky, but once you get that unscrewed. Kind of push it up, disconnect it, push it to the side. It's mounted on, like, you know, some kind of plastic. Oh, now it looks like there might be a clip. Yes, there is. There is a clip. Well, did not see that earlier. Oh. I thought this was going to be a piece of cake. I did not want to take all this casing off, but it's possible that I may have to. So you know what? We'll just call this part. What I want to do is move that this way. That's not going to happen on this video. It looks like I'm going to have to figure out how to remove the casing. And I'm not going to do that. We'll just call this part 1. Okay? Alright, mateys. Part 1 of the Mr. Heater repair. See if we get another crew member to join in tomorrow. Fair winds and smiles. And may God bless.